Okay, so guys, dito pa ito natin kung paano tayo mag-enter ng ating signals, no? So in our Telegram community, we provide signals na you can follow, no? So it looks like this. Yeah, so it looks like this yung ating Telegram community where I provide signals. So buy limit, we also provide yun yung mga market execution, no? So like this, ayan, so pwede niya bilhin agad yung or mag-open ng position, so something like that. So and may mga numbers diyan, no? So buy gold, so if you see na yung gold is at that level pa, so let's see. Yan. So if you see na nandiyan pa yung gold, no, near the same level, so you can execute this, no? Pero check nyo rin kung kailan siya pinost. So baka naman pinost siya ngayon tapos kinabukasan nyo nakita. So it's not valid anymore, and you need to check pa rin, no? And then here, ayan, may SL, may TP, 2920 yung TP is, the TP2 is 2925. Sa inyo yung mga numbers, no? So yan, makikita nyo naman dito yung mga numbers, no? Ayan, no? Yung mga prices, ayan. So if you want to enter at that level, ayan, so sabi ko buy na agad. That's market execution, kasi usually sinasabi ko naman pag pending orders, so lagay nyo lang, ayan, buy. Ayan, so mag buy ka, ayan, tapos ang sabi 2920 yung TP, no? So pwede nyo na lang yung i-drag sa 2920. Ayan. Okay, and then SL, and SL is 2902. Ayan, so drag nyo na lang para sa dali. Okay, ayan, so then enter. Ayan, makikita nyo na yan dyan. So again, this is just an example, no? Hindi ito yung actual trading natin kasi nasa 2914 na tayo. And medyo mababa na yung risk reward ratio natin dyan. Mas mataas na yung SL natin kaysa sa TP natin, no? So dapat nasa 2910 talaga. But for the sake of example, yan, pinapakita lang natin. But also you can do this. Yan, tap nyo lang yan sa chart na yan. Tap, may lalabas na trade. Ayan, then you can put here yung mga details, no? Yan, 2902, take profit is 2920. So ganyan. What about the buy limit or the pending order? So meron din tayong videos about dyan. And if you enable the one-click trading, and makikita nyo dyan sa taas, may makikita kayo dyan, yan, buy limit na agad yan. So drag nyo lang, again, drag nyo lang 2910, then TP, drag nyo lang ulit. Yan, SL, drag nyo lang ulit. Yan, so kiklik nyo lang yung mga nandyan sa baba. Okay. that's the pending order. So again, pwede nyo rin gawin yan. Click nyo lang ulit itong chart. There are two ways to do this. So ayan, meron dito, di ba, market execution, yung bibili ka na kaagad or i-enter mo na kaagad yung order. So pwede rin naman yan dito. Ayan, meron na yung buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. So meron tayong signal na buy limit. Ayan, so lagay nyo lang yung price dyan, 2910, ayan, 2902, and 2920. Okay, so that's how you enter yung mga trade ideas natin or yung mga trade signals natin sa inyong MetaTrader. So yun, I invite you to join our Telegram community. And yan, click nyo lang yung link dyan sa my bio ko. So there we provide signals and trade ideas for free. So also you can open an account with our broker. So check nyo lang rin yung link dyan sa bio natin. So thank you so much and see you there.